Welcome to Luminora X, where refined living meets timeless design. In today's video, we'll step inside a breathtaking modern classic home filled with intricate detailing, layered textures, and cinematic elegance. Join us as we take you through each corner of this residence. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more elevated home decor inspiration. The exterior of this American home radiates sophistication with its crisp white brick, dark-framed windows, and a grand limestone entry stair. Lantern sconces cast a gentle glow, enhancing the polished facade. Perfectly manicured hedges line the walkway, softening the edges while framing the approach. The entire composition feels almost cinematic, balancing architecture, landscaping, and refined textures in harmony, signaling an inviting and timeless home. Stepping inside, the entryway opens to a marble floor with delicate veining, bathed in natural light from tall transom windows. A sweeping mahogany staircase curves upward with a crisp white balustrade. Above, a crystal chandelier scatters soft prisms of light, dancing across the walls and polished stone, immediately setting a graceful and poised atmosphere. Hey! Hey! The living room reveals itself in calm layers of ivory, sand, and sage. Soft linen sofas rest on a patterned geometric rug, contrasted by dark lacquered tables. Floor-to-ceiling silk drapery frames expansive windows where daylight floods in, casting a glow on brass accents and polished finishes. The result is a room that feels equally refined and welcoming. Within the library, warm walnut paneling wraps the space with elegance, shelves displaying leather-bound books and curated ceramics. A sapphire velvet chair anchors one corner, highlighted by brass picture lights. The rich play of wood grain, recessed lighting, and reflective glass brings intimacy and cinematic depth to this sophisticated retreat. The dining room glimmers with elegance, anchored by a deep ebony table reflecting the sparkle of a tiered chandelier above. Graceful damask chairs encircle it, while dove-gray walls, trimmed in crisp white molding, frame a gilded mirror that catches the flicker of candlelight. Layers of silk, crystal, and silver create a luxurious interplay of textures, building a composition that feels both cinematic and atmospheric. A breakfast nook introduces casual refinement, centered with a round marble table and soft slip-covered chairs. Gentle daylight streams across wide oak planks, illuminating striped linen throws. Airy curtains sway by French doors that open to the garden, blending interior warmth with nature beyond. A simple vase of hydrangeas grounds the space beautifully. The kitchen unites functionality with artistry. White lacquered cabinetry pairs seamlessly with honed Carrara marble countertops, centered by a generous island glowing beneath nickel pendant lights. Sleek stainless steel appliances reflect subtly, while rattan stools add an organic touch of texture. Sunlight pours through graceful arched windows, washing across matte and polished finishes, capturing harmony within a cinematic frame. A. In the butler's pantry, deep navy cabinetry stretches to the ceiling, accented by brass hardware gleaming like fine jewelry. Glass front doors showcase crystal stemware glowing under recessed lights. A smooth stone countertop rests quietly, merging utility with sculptural elegance. The scene emphasizes contrast, refinement, and a serene cinematic presence within this transitional space. The family lounge finds the balance between comfort and sophistication. At its heart, a sleek fireplace, clad in marble, black, and steel, becomes the focal point. A soft-toned sectional rests upon a circular rug, complemented by golden-framed artwork illuminated by sconces. Layered textures, linen, polished stone, and warm metallics combine with cinematic lighting to create an inviting atmosphere of everyday elegance. A bright garden room enclosed in glass unfolds like a tranquil escape. Sunlight streams across travertine floors, highlighting wicker seating arranged with ease. Large terracotta planters filled with greenery soften the steel-framed windows, blurring the line between indoors and out. Cushions in pastel shades rest atop woven textures, completing an airy, serene, and refined composition brimming with vitality. Hay. The master bedroom conveys quiet drama, with pearl gray walls and a glossy ceiling that reflects soft ambient light. An upholstered ivory bed anchors the room atop a patterned wool rug, flanked by rich walnut nightstands. Pale silver silk drapery frames French doors, drawing the gaze toward a private balcony and serene horizon. Within the master dressing room, mirrored cabinetry expands the sense of space, reflecting light in every direction. Muted plum velvet seating offers contrast, while polished chrome hardware sparkles like jewelry against matte custom finishes beneath softly glowing pendants. Layers of fabric, metal, and reflective surfaces converge into a refined cinematic retreat devoted to elegance, order, and intimacy. The master bathroom radiates tranquility, wrapped in marble, veined with silver and charcoal. At its center, a freestanding oval tub rests gracefully beneath sheer curtained windows, filtering daylight into a soft glow. Dual vanities in polished nickel reflect endlessly through beveled mirrors. With its symmetry, layers of texture, and interplay of glossy marble, plush rugs, and gleaming metal, this sanctuary embodies indulgence, cinematic luxury expressed in perfect balance. A guest bedroom offers warmth and calm, with creamy beige paneling and a moss-green velvet headboard, soft linen bedding layers atop a patterned wool rug, bathed in gentle sunlight filtered through woven shades. Beside the bed, a graceful brass floor lamp arcs elegantly, its glow mirrored subtly in framed artwork, creating an atmosphere of quiet refinement. The guest bathroom, though compact, feels jewel-like. A porcelain pedestal sink with chrome fittings gleams under focused lighting, while glossy sage subway tiles rise upward, reflecting faintly in a frameless mirror. Hexagonal mosaic tiles line the floor, adding rhythm and depth to the geometry. Frosted glass and polished nickel accents complete this luminous, finely detailed retreat. A hallway gallery stretches with elegance, its chalk-white wainscoted walls adorned with black and white photography. Brass picture lights wash each frame with a soft glow, while oak flooring draws the eye forward toward a distant arched doorway. The corridor's depth, shifting shadows, and timeless textures create a cinematic promenade of refinement. Heat. Heat. The media room envelopes you in moody sophistication, its textured gray fabric walls and charcoal velvet seating arranged for comfort. A large projection screen glows gently, framed by cove lighting that warms the ceiling above. Plush carpeting absorbs sound underfoot, while brushed metal and polished wood accents complete the space with a perfect cinematic finish. The home office balances gravitas with lightness. At its center, a polished mahogany desk grounds the room, framed by ivory walls and custom built-in shelving. Ceramic sculptures and lacquered boxes punctuate the design, reflecting sunlight streaming through tall casement windows. Leather-bound journals and brass desk accessories highlight a tactile richness, shaping an environment of timeless refinement within a cinematic frame. Covered veranda extends with timeless grace from the rear facade. Classic white columns frame the space, where rattan seating with ivory cushions rests beneath lanterns glowing warmly at dusk. Breezy drapery sways gently across limestone flooring, while every detail, from textured upholstery to polished tabletops, layers together to form an outdoor living room of charm, openness, and intimacy. The backyard garden creates a sweeping finale, its emerald lawns stretching toward a reflecting pool edged in limestone. Sculpted hedges and flowering borders lend geometry and color, while tall trees filter soft, dappled light. As evening settles, garden lights shimmer to life, illuminating stone, foliage, and water in a cinematic portrait of elegance. Thank you for accompanying us on this journey through refined interiors and timeless outdoor beauty. We hope these cinematic spaces have sparked inspiration for your own home. If you enjoyed this tour, please remember to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Luminora X for more inspiring home decor ideas.